This is the plaintiff, Miss Brooks. She says the defendant's dead tree limb fell on her fence and damaged it. She had a repair company come and fix the fence, paid them in full, and has heard nothing from the defendant about reimbursing her. So neighbor or no neighbor, she's suing for the $400 she's owed. This is the defendant, Tyrone Samuel. He says his tree didn't damage the plaintiff's fence. It was the wind. That's right, they had a storm, and the wind blew a section of her fence down, and she's trying to pin the blame on him. This was an act of God, and this is why people have insurance. Oh, her, he thinks not. He's accused of fencing in a neighbor.
Okay, Ms. Brooks, you are suing Mr. Samuel, your neighbor, for $400 to cost to repair a fence that you had previously warned him was going to get damaged because, according to you, he had dead trees or a dead tree on his lot. Tell me what's going on.
Well, on, I think it was October 15th, I sent him a certified letter warning him that he had 2 dead trees on his property, which, if they fell, would cause damage to his property as well as my own.
So you did it in writing?
Yes.
You sent it certified?
Yes.
And you have proof he received it?
Yes, I do.
You must watch the People's Court.
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay, go ahead.
So I think it was December 7th, a branch fell, it hit my fence and damaged it, broke it. And I went around immediately in the morning to advise him that the tree was, that the branch had fallen, and he said that he would check it out. So by the time
there have been what, winds, rains, both? There have been a storm.
Wind, as far as I remember, wind. I don't remember whether it was rain or not, but I think there was wind.
Now,
yes.
according to you, there was a big storm?
Yeah.
Do you have any proof of that?
No, it was just a windstorm that night.
Just a windstorm? Mm-hmm. No rains?
I don't know if it was rain.
Did you get a letter from her warning you that you had a dead tree on your lot?
Yeah, but my trees aren't dead.
But you did get a letter from her saying that?
Yes.
Okay, and what did you do as a result of the letter? Did you go have an expert take a look at the tree to see why she was saying that?
No, because my trees shed leaves every year. I have to clean them up, so I know the trees are dead.
Yeah, but a tree could be part dead and part alive, and the dead part is the risky part. You're not just saying your tree wasn't dead because it produced leaves, are you?
Yeah, but I cut off pieces of the tree.
According to her,
I trimmed my trees.
Hold on one second. According to her, a dead part fell on it, and your response to me wasn't, "Oh, I immediately took care of it. Look, here's what I did." Your response was, "Nah, she was wrong. It sounds like you ignored her letter. Really?
No.
No? But what did you do as a result of her letter?
I didn't do anything about it.
Because she's wrong.
Yeah, she's wrong.
Okay.
My trees aren't dead.
Do you have a picture of the tree limb that fell or of the damage? Now, you folks are right next to each other or behind in front
No,
of you?
she's behind me on a different block.
Yes.
Okay.
What am I looking at? It's hard to tell.
That's the top side, and that's the broken part that goes into the hook there.
What kind of fence is this?
It's just a PVC fence.
Okay. Were these pictures taken with a cell phone?
Yeah, yes.
Is this a picture of the tree before or after the event?
After.
So this is a branch that fell, I guess?
I don't
You don't know?
know. I really don't know.
Tree's not
The
talking.
tree's dead.
Are you saying the whole tree's dead or parts of the tree?
The whole tree's dead. There's 2 dead trees on his
Oh,
property.
2 totally dead trees. So you're
Yes.
saying it's not even,
Yes.
Did you get it repaired?
Did I get what?
Did you get the fence repaired?
Yes, I did.
Okay. May
Yes,
I see
did.
the evidence of that?
Yes, I have this. I have that.
So when she came to you that morning, I guess she knocked on your door and said, you need to come out here and take a look at it. Did you say to her, what did you say to her about having received her letter two months earlier?
I didn't say nothing. I went outside and met her in the back.
She didn't say, I told you so, like I would? She did not, I told you so?
No, she didn't say
I'd
that.
have been, I told you so, and left and right, honey. You didn't? Really? You didn't say that?
No.
She's not an I told you so-er? No? Wow. All right, so she tells you about this, and what do you say to her?
I see the fence like it was blown in. So I tell her, I said, call the insurance company and have them, do
What insurance company?
The insurance company.
Which insurance company?
Your home insurance.
Her own insurance company. Okay. So you wanted her to call her own insurance company. Why don't you call your insurance company if the tree originates on your property?
Because I'm not sure that my tree broke her fence.
Yeah, I know. But why don't you tell her, well, let's both call our insurance companies and figure it out?
This is what happens in insurance. If she calls an insurance company, they're going to contact me. Or they'll contact my insurance company.
Right.
And, that's why you pay insurance.
Yeah, except for here's how it works. You pay premiums to a company to represent, to take care of things for you when you get sued. But she can't sue your insurance company. She has to sue you. So, yeah, the onus is on you to go through the bureaucratic garbage with your insurance company, not on her. Did he give you the name of his insurance company?
No.
He wouldn't even give it to you?
He refused to give me the name.
Oh, so she's just through telepathy supposed to find out. You just told her to go through her own insurance company and get lost.
That's right.
Oh, that was neighborly.
So if this defendant is on notice that the tree is bad, even if it's an act of God type storm, is the defendant liable?
Yes, because he's on notice, so I think he's liable for it.
What do you think?
I think that once they've been informed, they have a duty to at least look into fixing the problem so it doesn't happen.
Fair enough, and you're going to get the last word.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, acts of God can happen at any time to anybody, and...
But so you would say the defendant's liable?
Absolutely.
Fair enough. Going inside the courtroom.
So, what am I supposed to do with a $400 bill your neighbor hands me, pictures of a broken fence, and a certified letter that you got warning you that all this was going to happen? What am I supposed to do with that?
I don't know.
What would you do with it if it was her dead tree that fell on your fence and cost you $400?
My trees aren't dead, once again.
Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Why would she send you the letter? See, here's what usually happens. Usually this is how the case looks. Bad storm, tree limb falls, your side says, act to God, act to God. And that side says, oh, no, there was something wrong with the tree beforehand, but they have no proof of it. I got a lady who has you dead to rights with proof of it because she not only told you about it, she told you about it in a way she can prove with a certified letter you signed for. I'm supposed to think, oh, she was just wrong then. And the fact that exactly what she said would happen happened is not proof of anything. Get out of here.
I didn't sign
Pay this lady the $400 on her court costs. Verdict for the plaintiff. Some kind of neighbor, pal.
Hold on right there.
Really? That was your defense?
Yeah, that's my defense.
How'd it go?
I guess not so good.
I guess not.
But I still say, my trees aren't dead. I was neighborly enough to put the fence back together for her. She said she wanted a company to fix it. If she wants the company to fix it, you pay the company. That's on you.
No, it's on you now.
Contact the insurance company.
So is this still a nice, friendly neighbor to you?
She's never been a nice, friendly neighbor. Neighbors don't send you a certified letter. They knock on your door.
All right, right down this way. All right? All right, so come on in here. You're kind of looking at him, and he's looking at you. Where you going? Stay right here now. How you feeling about this outcome here?
I'm delighted. He's got to be kidding. I mean, I can't even tell you.
He says you're not a nice neighbor. You should have just knocked and dealt with it
Well, yeah, you see, I was very nice when I approached him. Very, very, very nice. And he said that he understood when I said I wanted it fixed properly. He said that he understood and he would take care of it.
All right, come on. Before you go, just say I told you so now. Say it.
I told you so.
All right, Harvey.
Okay, she was so smart by sending him a note saying that the tree is precarious. That's what you need to do if you have a neighbor who has a tree that's causing a problem. Once they're on notice, they are dead to rights if something happens. By the way, you can also follow us on Facebook or Twitter. We would love that. We will see you for the next session of the People's Court.